Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent the author profiles from showing to your admins on your Telegram channel using Telegram Web on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage privacy and control what your admins can see inside your community. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this using any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, head over to the channel where you want to change the settings. Next, on the top left corner of Telegram Web, you'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is where most of your channel management settings are located. After that, choose your channel from the list if not already open. Now, look towards the top area of your channel's page and click Edit. This will open a new panel that allows you to change the channel's information, permissions, and privacy options. From the list of options that appears, select Administrators. This section lists all the people who help you manage your channel and what access or visibility each of them has. With the latest Telegram update, you'll find an option labeled Show Authors Profiles. This setting determines whether your admins can see which member posted each message if the channel allows multiple posting accounts. To hide those author profiles, simply uncheck the option that says Show Authors Profiles. Once you've done that, click the tick icon at the top right corner to save your changes. Telegram will automatically update the settings for your channel. That's it. You've successfully hidden the authors' profiles from your admins.